partial lift. There you go. Good job. Yes, that's good, Ember. Good job. I want you to rip it up, though. Nice, good girl. That was a nice full lift. I want you to do that, though. You're ripping it up. It's not what I want. There you go. Good. Yes, good girl. Very good. That's 2 full lifts. Yes, 3 full lifts. Right on, Ember. So good. 3 full lifts out of 9. Okay, we're sticking on partial lifts, shopping for full lifts. Oh, why did I click that? There you go. That was more what I wanted. There you go. Good job. Nice, Ember. Good job. It was 2 full lifts right there. Yes. Good girl. 3 full lifts. 4 full lifts. 5 full lifts. Good girl, Ember. Very good. Yes. There you go. Good job. Okay, so 5 fulls and 9 out of 9 partials. Good job, Ember. Doing very good. Not the best reward there. Oh, a full lift. Very good, Ember. Very good. Yes. So good. 2 full lifts. Oh, very good, Ember. 3 full lifts. 4 full lifts. Good job. 5 full lifts. You're so smart. There you go. 6 full lifts. I don't know if I should have rewarded that. Oh, Ember. Okay, 5 out of 8. I need a new object.